Hey guys, so I'm at one of the better restores. Here's a bunch of mercury lamps. Are these self-ballasted? If so, maybe I'll get some. Nope, they require ballast. There's some mercury lamps. There's some sodiums. I'm looking for some specific glass shades and I'm not seeing them, but that's why I ran through that aisle. Okay, fan section. Something K55. Earlier premium. Pretty cool. Hunter Coastal Breeze or Silent Breeze or something breeze. Uh-oh, almost knocked something over. That. Oh, there's one of these green Sears. Rick likes those. I don't think I see anything I'm gonna get unless Rick wants that Sierra, and I'll try to message him after I get done filming. Okay, if I find anything else, I'll tag it on the end of this video. Not sure how I overlooked over here, but I think I might get that Chrome Alaska. I'm curious about that. That's the kind of thing that if somebody offered me for free, but I had to pay shipping. I did message Rick to see if he wanted the Hunter. Okay, I think that's it for now.